Let's talk about money, something that shapes our lives, our choices, and even our dreams. Money isn't just paper or numbers on a screen, it's the fuel for innovation, the driver of ambition, and the foundation of every major decision in the world of business and beyond. And, at its core, finance is about betting on the future, predicting what's next, taking risks, and hoping your insights pay off. Whether it's investing in stocks, trading currencies, or even placing a wager on your favorite team, it's all about anticipating what tomorrow might bring. Now, imagine a world where America's biggest crypto company, Coinbase, joins forces with Kalshi, a cutting-edge platform that lets you bet on real-world events. Not just sports or stocks, but anything from the weather in Chicago to the outcome of major political decisions. As of December 13, 2025, this partnership marks Coinbase's bold entry into the world of prediction markets. It's a move that signals a new era, where the boundaries between crypto trading and event-based speculation begin to blur. This isn't a side project or a simple experiment, it's a major strategic shift for both companies. They're not just dipping their toes in, they're diving headfirst into a new financial frontier. With over 100 million users worldwide, Coinbase is uniquely positioned to bridge the gap between the world of cryptocurrencies and the emerging universe of event contracts. This means millions of people could soon have access to markets that were once reserved for a select few. Kalshi is the key to making this possible. As a fully regulated exchange, Kalshi lets you trade contracts on real-world outcomes, all under the strict supervision of the CFTC. This regulatory approval is what sets Kalshi apart, ensuring trust and transparency for every user. In this partnership, Coinbase brings its massive audience, trusted brand, and crypto expertise, while Kalshi delivers the regulatory green light and the technology to make event trading possible at scale. Think of it like a blockbuster superhero teaming up with a brilliant scientist. Together they have the power to transform how millions of people speculate, invest, and interact with the world around them. This isn't just another app update or a flashy new feature. It's a fundamental change to both the crypto industry and the world of online betting, opening doors to new possibilities and new ways to engage with information. Until now, prediction markets have been niche, often inaccessible, and limited to a small group of enthusiasts. But with Coinbase stepping in, these markets are about to go mainstream, reaching a global audience hungry for new ways to interact with finance. The future of finance isn't just about buying and holding Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. It's about trading on information, making decisions based on real-world events, and turning knowledge into opportunity. This partnership could fundamentally redefine how we interact with money, manage risk, and even how we think about the future itself. It's about empowering individuals to participate in markets that reflect the world they live in. And it all starts right here, with this bold strategic move, ushering in a new chapter for finance, technology, and the way we all bet on what comes next. Let's break down prediction markets and see why they're generating so much buzz right now. Imagine a marketplace that works a lot like the stock market, but instead of trading company shares, you're trading on the outcomes of real-world events. In prediction markets, you don't just invest in businesses, you invest in your beliefs about what will happen in the world. For example, you might buy shares in the outcome, will it rain in New York tomorrow? Or will a certain movie win Best Picture? You simply buy yes shares if you think the event will happen, or no shares if you think it won't. It's as straightforward as making a prediction with your money on the line. The price of each share moves between $0 and $1, and these prices constantly shift as more people buy and sell, reflecting the changing beliefs of the crowd. If your prediction turns out to be correct, you win a payout, usually $1 per share. If you're wrong, you lose the amount you staked. It's a simple, high-stakes way to put your knowledge or intuition to the test. While it might sound like gambling, prediction markets are actually a powerful tool for crowdsourced forecasting. The difference is that these markets aggregate the wisdom of thousands of participants, often leading to surprisingly accurate predictions. The price of a share at any moment represents the market's collective estimate of the probability that an event will occur. If a yes share is trading at 70 cents, the market thinks there's a 70% chance of that outcome. Kalshi is one of the leading platforms in this space, offering a regulated marketplace where you can trade contracts on everything from economic indicators and weather events to pop culture and politics. What sets Kalshi apart is that it's regulated by the CFTC, the same agency that oversees major financial markets. This gives Kalshi a level of legitimacy and security that most betting sites simply can't match. Now, with Coinbase integrating Kalshi, prediction markets are moving beyond just entertainment. They're becoming a serious tool for investors, analysts, and anyone interested in understanding or hedging against real-world risks. You could use prediction markets to hedge against things like inflation or weather disruptions, or just have fun betting on the outcome of your favorite reality TV show. The applications are as diverse as the questions you can dream up. The possibilities are nearly endless. If you can ask a question about the future, there's a good chance you can trade on it. Prediction markets offer a new, interactive way to engage with information, manage risk, and even influence the conversation about what matters in the world. And because it all happens within a trusted, regulated environment, you can participate with confidence, knowing the system is designed to be fair and transparent. As prediction markets go mainstream, they're set to change the way we think about forecasting, investing, and even how we understand the world around us. Coinbase's move into prediction markets is part of a bigger plan. They want to be more than a crypto exchange. They want to be a financial super app. Think, an app store for your money, where you can trade, borrow, lend, and now, predict. Relying on trading fees is risky. Coinbase needs more ways to keep users engaged. They've already added decentralized trading and are working on tokenized stocks. Prediction markets are the next logical step. By partnering with Kalshi, Coinbase skips years of regulatory headaches and plugs into a ready-made, compliant platform. For users, this means their crypto app just got a lot more interesting and accessible. It's a bold move to redefine what a financial company can be in the digital age. To grasp Coinbase's ambition, think of Google. Google didn't invent search, it made it accessible and became the internet's gateway. Coinbase wants to do the same for speculation and prediction. Right now, betting and prediction are fragmented and confusing. By integrating Kalshi, Coinbase creates a single, trusted, regulated portal for all of it. This could legitimize and massively expand prediction markets, making them mainstream. Trust is key. People are more likely to use a regulated, familiar app than an offshore site. Coinbase's brand and compliance could transform prediction markets into a primary source for real-time public sentiment. News outlets might soon cite Coinbase Kalshi odds as indicators of public opinion. This could turn prediction markets from a niche hobby into a powerful forecasting tool. When a giant like Coinbase enters a market, someone gets squeezed. Polymarket, the current king of crypto prediction markets, is in the crosshairs. Polymarket is popular, but operates in a legal gray area, especially in the US. The CFTC forced it to block US users and pay a hefty fine. Coinbase, by offering a fully regulated alternative, gives Americans a legal, easy way to do what they once did in the shadows. For many, the choice is obvious: safety and legality over risk and VPNs. Polymarket's loyal crypto fans may stick around, but Coinbase's scale and legitimacy are overwhelming. The battle for prediction market dominance is on. When two markets exist for the same asset, arbitrage opportunities appear. With Coinbase, Kalshi, and Polymarket running side by side, price gaps will emerge. Savvy traders can buy low on one platform and sell high on the other, locking in risk-free profits. These opportunities will be most plentiful in the early days, as new users flood in and prices diverge. But this window won't last. Arbitrageurs will quickly close the gaps. For those ready to act fast, the chaos of a new market means profit. But remember, easy money never lasts long. Before you chase arbitrage riches, beware the regulatory minefield. Using a VPN to access Polymarket from the US is a violation of their terms and US law. Regulators know these tricks and can crack down at any time. If caught, your funds could be frozen with no recourse. Enforcement can be swift, and platforms may preemptively freeze accounts to protect themselves. Even on regulated platforms, there are strict limits, like Kalshi being blocked from listing certain political contracts. The rules are always changing, and what's legal today might not be tomorrow. In this space, caution is essential. The risk of frozen funds is real and terrifying. Losing a bet is one thing, losing access to your money is another. Regulators have a history of freezing assets on platforms accused of breaking the rules. If US users are caught on offshore prediction markets, their digital dollars could vanish overnight. Platforms like Polymarket may freeze accounts to avoid regulatory wrath, leaving users stranded. You can't complain to regulators or the platform, you broke the rules. The promise of decentralization is exciting, but it comes with zero consumer protection. Coinbase and Kalshi, while more restrictive, offer a safety net. Your funds are protected by US law. The trade-off is more rules, but much greater security. In finance, safety often beats excitement. Coinbase's partnership with Kalshi marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of digital finance, an ambitious attempt to bring order and legitimacy to the unpredictable world of prediction markets. For years, these markets have operated on the fringes, often viewed as risky or even taboo. Now, with a major player stepping in, the landscape is shifting. This collaboration could open the doors for millions, democratizing access to sophisticated financial tools that were once reserved for Wall Street insiders. Imagine a world where anyone, anywhere, can tap into real-time public sentiment and make informed decisions about the future, whether it's politics, sports, or the economy. It's a clear sign that crypto is maturing, choosing to work with regulators rather than against them. This new approach signals a willingness to build bridges and foster trust with both lawmakers and the public. The formation of the Coalition for Prediction Markets highlights the industry's desire for clear, fair, and transparent rules. By coming together, these companies are advocating for a future where innovation and regulation can coexist. Yet, the spirit of the Wild West still lingers. Unregulated platforms continue to attract users with the promise of total freedom and the thrill of high-stakes risk. For some, this is the true appeal of prediction markets. The line between being a savvy trader and a reckless gambler is razor-thin. Every decision can feel like a roll of the dice, blurring the boundaries between strategy and speculation. Ultimately, the future of prediction markets will be shaped by the choices users make, whether they prioritize safety and regulation, or chase the excitement of risk and reward. Coinbase is betting that trust, transparency, and legality will win out in the end, setting a new standard for the industry. Whether this experiment becomes a new pillar of modern finance or a cautionary tale for regulators, one thing is certain: the next chapter in the story of finance is just beginning, and it promises to be one of the most fascinating yet.